Hello everyone and welcome. We saw in my last video how to make an appeal video for reused content. If you have done this step and you are still rejected another time, what is next? If you are new here, please, do not forget to subscribe to help us to post new videos. In my previous video, I explained how to create an appeal video for reused content to be accepted for monetization. The link is in description. If it is already done and rejected another time, YouTube has detected low value for the content of your videos, or not added value that will give an original look. In this case, you may have received this message: appeal didn't contain enough visual examples of your filming, editing, or creative process. Our reviewers did not find enough information in your video appeal to confirm if you own the content or if you've made substantial changes to someone else's original work. Please read YouTube channel monetization policies. And read what is allowed and not allowed to monetize. The link in description. Review the appeal feedback. You can contact creator support in this page. If you haven't received good news, so I am sorry to let you know that you need to delete all your videos that are not created by you except 1 or 2. That can help you on watch time hours. If you have more than 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you can delete all your not original videos that is reused or do not own. When you delete all your reused or not original videos, go to Monetization tab and click on Reapply. I am sure that this time you will get good news. I hope this video can help you to get monetized your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.